Transform your content creation journey. Discover how Waravel's intuitive platform empowers you to build stunning web experiences without coding. Sidebar: explore the Pages section where all your content lives and thrives. Pages list: start your creative journey by launching a new page for your project. Editor: access your Waravel Dashboard, your command center for managing all content. Media sidebar: explore the Media Hub where all your visual assets are organized. Builder sidebar: unleash your creativity with Waravel Builder, our drag-and-drop powerhouse. Templates: browse templates to jumpstart your projects with professional designs. Plugin sidebar: extend functionality with plugins. Customizing your site has never been easier. Plugin Manager: return to your Waravel dashboard to oversee your entire content ecosystem. Dashboard Card: seamlessly organize your content library with our intuitive page management. Unleash your digital potential today. Start creating remarkable web experiences with Waravel. Sign up now for a free trial and transform your online presence. Start with Waravel now.